What's up, monkeyers? My name is Monkey C, and we're playing Minecraft Dungeons. And this is part one of my playthrough. And and I don't know what's this game about, so that's the fun part. And yeah, yeah, okay. And what the heck is this? And okay, I'm gonna pick Steve. That's why I might like it. And okay, okay, let's let's start in three, two, one. There's no sound because I don't know why. There's narration for the total of silence of nothing. What the heck? Oh, this is so weird. What the heck is this? Follow the navigation marker to your reach. I know already. Defeat the zombie. There, that's how. Okay. I cry for heroes. Defeat the invaders. I can't see where am I. What the heck? Help. How to kill another. Ah, I hate this. Why I hate this? I hate this controls. Kill him. Let's go. I am Steve. Where am I? The arrow bundle? Okay. Shoot the skeleton. Arrows are limited, so spend them wisely. Okay, okay. Where do I go there? Okay. You die, zombie. You die too. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There. Okay. Where am I? Where am I? Stop clicking buttons. What the heck is that? What the heck? Help. 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 Okay, fine. Where do I go? Okay. This game is weird enough. Oh wait, there's the villagers, I guess. Oh wait, I got emeralds. Nice. Red arrow. Congratulations. Oh, I need to defeat. How do you go? Where do I go? Help. So let's go. Be fast. Be super fast. Be really fast. Okay, I'm not that fast. What the heck? Where am I? Help. What the heck? Oh gosh. Oh my god, what the heck? Okay. Every level up gives you an enchantment point, which is a upgrade to item point. Open the inventory. Try it out. What the heck? Select the item you want to enchant. My sword. Choose. You can choose from randomized enchantments from every item. Select one now. This enchant. Did I enchant? I enchant. Five villagers. Is stupid. Part to open up to equip it. Uh, Right click the there was in the. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh, ooh, ooh. Now you, now that the artifact is equipped, you can use it whatever you want. How am I gonna get that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how did I do that? Um, um, set up cap outside town. Okay. Ah, I like the beat. Da-da! My ears. Okay, okay. What idea? It's not browsed. That's fair. Ah! The picture. Red captains, be careful here. Red captains have been spotted near there and could show up any mission. You are recruited. The red captains have a bounty on their heads. Take them out and to receive Antonio awards. Sick! Where am I? Oh, the heck. Store chest. Okay. 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 Super. That's. Oh, you could dash. Mm, paper ones. Next. The next one, I guess. So, stop. Is my camera coming over? Stop. Villagers. Prince. Okay. Free the villager. Looks like you never say. Ah, ah, ah. Die. Oh, wait, they're armored. Oh, shit. There's some more. Apple. I found an apple, I guess. Ah, my help. I'm gonna die. I'm joking. Ah, die, you die first. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Help. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Shadow form? What is heck is a shadow form? Achievements unlocked. There's achievements. I thought there's no achievements in this game. Hmm. There's some more. These are kind of easy. Help, 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 help. Okay, go. Die. I freed you. Find the cavern. Okay. Die. Die, zombies. You're so bad. There you go. Oh, there. Oh, wait. Fine. That's why. Okay. There's an arrow there. Die. I'll kill all of them. Oh, that's why they called Super Woods. Find your open up. What? Oh, wait, there's a secret. Let's see the secret. Can I? I'm just gonna look. I'm just gonna do the missions. I'm gonna do the missions. Oh, there's someone that die. Oh, wait, let's see if it die. I'm gonna replay the mission. It's faster. Paper, oh man. Paper, oh man. Oh, oh. I almost died. I almost died. Oh, all damage are hinting. Oh! Okay, I'm fine. Skeleton. 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 I just killed every skeleton. Skeleton? I'm out. I'm not here. Bye, guys. Hello. Crap. Okay, that's not even hard. What the heck? Die. Ah, my help. It's now. Where am I? Oh my gosh, it's bigger than that. Oh, here, bats. I, I died. Oh, no, I died. Okay, I'm fine. Yeah, I told him. Nice to meet. Yeah. Okay, there's no joke there. Where am I? Oh, I'm here. So, cross the bridge again. Okay, paper. Shoot this. We pass. Bye. Let's go. Let's go. We. Okay, other mission I'm done here. I think, I don't know. I hear villagers. Villagers. I hear the herbivores. Huh. You're so hungry. Stop time. Haha. Look at. Okay, freedom. Can I trade with you? Okay, you disappeared. You can. Okay, I don't wanna. Okay, it exit. I'm gone. Attack y'all. Oh my god, we're actually gonna attack y'all. Oh crap. Look, they're kissing. Okay. Is this the exit? No, it's not. That's here. Here. Hide. Hide? What? Die. I meant. Is that shark potion? Haha. I die. You die. I meant. Mm, mm, I'm out. Okay. Die. Oh, wait, he died. I ain't gonna die anymore. What's this? What's this? I'm not. This is a double. Where am I? What the heck? Ah, help! 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 Oh my gosh! Give me help! I'm gone. Ah, oh, look at that creeper. There's the paste, it's pasty. What am I talking about? Pasty ball. You hear this? Power as you hold the tasty boat in your hand. Okay, emeralds. Okay, okay, let's just, let's. Oh, oh. Super, once again. What did I do wrong? I missed some. The end of part one. This pretty was kind of good. Maybe part two is crazy. Crazy fun. Okay. Bye, guys. Then see you in the next part one. Part one? Part two. Bye.